Guys, you're going to go to court. You're going to get abused. You're basically going to get smashed. What you say is not right. What the mother says is right. What the mother says is what Kafkas says. Kafkas openly acknowledges that they lie. We've got evidence of it. They literally say they have a reliance on reports. Then, when the report is proven to be incorrect, they say there wasn't a complete reliance. It's just a little reliance. Acknowledging that they had a reliance, but it now has failed. Then, eventually, after a year being told you can't do anything wrong, if you accidentally slip that you have evidence that the mother is lying and that there's corruption, their solicitors are lied, the judge will remove fact-finding. Why? Because she can. Pathfinder is the precedent that's been set and is moving around other courts now. It's meant to be making everything faster. It puts more reliance on the judge. Middle-aged ladies, I don't know any male judges, I've been to a whole load of courts, following a whole load of fathers and hearing other bits. They all seem to be women with grudges against men. And basically they will find you wrong, even if you sit there with facts. So just hold that ready. The final hearing, once it comes through, if you, for example, have the kids Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and the mother decides in a year's time that she wants a holiday, well, she can have that holiday, and you will just be given one date, maybe, and it will be told as a take it or leave it. So don't worry about the fact you've got work, you've got reliance on moving around, you've got hotels booked, bits and pieces. The judge will just move it and tell you that that's within the interest of the kids. They won't bother giving you anything good. They won't bother actually saying, well, hang on a minute, the final order is specifically there. They won't bother saying the mother and Kafkas and everybody has actually written in the transcript and has actually spoken that 7 days and no more than that between two parents for young kids should be allowed. They will then just give you 14 days with a gap. Even though the final order says that, the transcripts confirm that they shouldn't be more than 7 days. This is the family court, and this is why suicide is so high. Now, I'm really sorry, guys. We are trying to document it, and we are trying to make things come true. You can't make it up. You go to the police, they don't care. Social services are just wrong, get everything wrong. Kafkas will just document everything as lies. They will literally get all the domestic violence things and all the reports unfactual, unfounded, not even meant for court in the first place. They'll just rewrite them. It's absolutely lazy ass reporting. They don't bother actually doing anything, and I think it's about 80-90% more time is spent with the mother than it's spent with you. And then if the mother reports you as violent, or she says that there's cameras, or that she's scared, the Kafkas people won't even visit your house. So 1 minute you can be living in a multiple acre house, multiple bedrooms, multiple bits. The kids will get removed and put into a council estate. That is the state of the system right now, but it's within the interest of the children, guys. Just remember that. Within the interest of the kids is to remove your access.